Mental exhaustion is not stress. Stress comes from pressure. Exhaustion comes from repetition. If your mind feels tired even when nothing happened, this video is for you. This is Mentops. Stress responds to rest. Mental exhaustion does not. Because rest pauses the body, not the process. If loops stay open, the system keeps running. Even when you lie down, even when you sleep. That's why rest fails. An unclosed loop is simple. A thought that never reached an end. A decision never finalized. A task never executed or canceled. The mind keeps it active because there was no resolution. Not emotional resolution. Operational resolution. Open loops consume energy. Silently. Continuously. Smart minds create more loops, more ideas, more possibilities, more unfinished simulations. They don't feel stressed. They feel drained because the system never fully shuts anything down. Exhaustion is not overload. It's unresolved operation. Mental exhaustion isn't stress. It's unclosed loops. Mentops exists to close them. If you want a structured way to shut down mental processes properly, check the guide in the description. This is Mentops.